Hey there! Today, I want to show you how to create a form for your users to sign into Teta. First, let's place Supabase within our project in Teta. Speaking of which, you can find the tutorial on how to do this up here in the info. Let's now create a new registration form. Let's begin by inserting the column widget inside the tree area from the widget panel. Add the text field widget inside the column and change its hint text to email. Add another text field widget below and change its hint text to password. Finally, add the button widget from the widget panel and change the value to sign in. Let's change our form's various parameters to make it look better. For instance, we can change the widths, placeholders, borders, and more. Let's now move on to the more technical aspects. Let's begin by creating 3 states within the scaffold. Let's call them email, password, and state. All 3 of these elements are simple strings. Remember, the first letter of the names must be written in uppercase. Let's now move on to our button and add an action. We will be placing Supabase, authentication, and on tap in our parameters. When scrolling, we will add sign in with credential and finally the pages we want the user to access once they have logged in. At this point, we need to change the text fields. This will allow our users to insert their data. Each text field will need to have an action. The email will be inserted into the first text field and then we will add the action. State, on change, and change width will be placed into the parameters. Finally, we will insert the email state previously created. Let's move on to the second text field and place the same parameters we have placed in the first one. The only difference here is that we will insert the password state towards the end. Let's now run a test. Go on Play mode and insert an email and password which have already been registered within our app. Speaking of which, you can find a tutorial on how to create a registration form up here in the info. Next, click on the Sign In button. As you can see, we were just able to access our own app. If you want to see other Teta tutorials, don't hesitate to visit our YouTube channel. See you next time!